Jonathan Pye on the campaign trail. What I'm liking about this election is the era for voting for personality over policy is over. There aren't any personalities. I mean, this election is like asking, what's your favourite lettuce? Theresa May looks like someone has spilt a tin of grey paint over a paint-by-numbers picture of a nun. Jeremy Corbyn looks like a shaved badger in a suit. It's hardly Clash of the Titans, is it? It's grey versus beige. This election doesn't have to be about Brexit or mugwumps or taxes. It can be about whatever you want it to be about. If you only care about foreign policy, then find the best foreign policy and vote accordingly. Vote for policies, not personalities. I mean, who's going to read the manifestos? What sort of knob finds that interesting? I mean, I do, but I mean, no one with any actual real life is going to actually read the manifestos, are they? That doesn't make you politically disengaged. That makes you human. What's important to you? You know, this is great, right? It's called Vote for Policies. You can pick one or three or all the main policy areas and you pick which policy you think is best, and at the end it tells you who to vote for according to policy. It's brilliant. Is immigration an important issue to you? If so, you're either a small-minded bigot or you are part of the 50% of people who put that in their top 3 concerns, along with the NHS, higher taxes or more onus on the public sector. The economy. The economy has the double honour of not only being the single most important issue of any modern Western election, but simultaneously it is almost without a doubt the most dull. Education. Am I thick? And if so, who's to blame? Crime. Not just am I more likely to get mugged, but how many of my civil liberties am I willing to relinquish in the name of public safety? Transport. Are they going to build a railway through my back garden? Look, it only takes, what, a couple of minutes? The danger is you're a lifelong Tory voter only to discover you're actually a Lib Dem. You might be surprised at how much you actually agree with your opponents. Imagine you're thinking of voting Labour and all of a sudden... No, I'm not voting for them. No way. No way. All right, Tim, do you know who you're voting for on June the 8th? OK, great, brilliant. Let me ask you this. Do you know what you're voting for on June the 8th? Vote for policies.